Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power off and unplug, then remove cartridges and paper so you can work safely. Use a lint-free swab and 90% isopropyl. Compressed air is helpful. Open the top cover and gently move or center the carriage to expose the encoder strip. Do not touch the optical head. This access step matters because dust and ink haze on the strip cause misreads. Removing them restores the printer's position sensing. Once exposed, moisten a lint-free swab with isopropyl, no excess liquid, and wipe the strip in one smooth motion from center toward one end. Make a single pass per swab to avoid redepositing debris. Replace swabs when dirty. Then repeat center to the other end. Use a gentle air bulb to blow away loose particles and let the strip air dry completely. These steps reduce streaking and avoid bending or scratching the thin plastic that the optical. After drying, reassemble. Reinstall cartridges, close the cover, and reconnect power. Run the printer's head alignment and print a test pattern to verify accuracy. Make sure you observe for banding or misalignment. If problems remain, power down and recheck cleaning or inspect the strip under light for scratches. If the strip is scratched or warped, cleaning won't help. Replace the strip or contact service. Quick tip: if intermittent errors continue, repeat cleaning once more before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.